Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, Mansi. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. How's your morning so far?
It is going well.
Okay, that's nice to know. I is this your last session here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right then. So I would really like to know how have your sessions been so far? How was your experience? What things could you learn and understand, and what things do you want to further know?
Yeah. As of now, it is going well, and I'm learning new things from every tutor, like what I have to improve, and what are the mistakes I'm doing. So that are the things I get to know that I should improve that.
So which mistakes have you improved in?
Yeah, sometimes it's grammar mistakes, so I always try to correct them, and I always think like that I should not do the same mistakes which I'm doing before. So
Okay.
yeah, and sometimes I don't get the word while speaking. So yeah, I need to improve my vocabulary as well.
All right, okay. Is there anything that you want me to help you with today in today's session?
No, just we can have the conversation.
Sorry?
We can just have a conversation,
Oh, you want just like a normal conversation?
or on topic also we can discuss.
All right, so the topic that we have is celebrities. So, would you want to talk on that?
Yeah, sure.
All right. What do you think about the celebrity culture in our country?
Yeah, so actually, celebrities influence a lot on most of the person, and many people
People.
follow them. Yeah, many people follow them, like their lifestyle and what are the things they are wearing, what are the things they do. So sometimes it's inspiration also, and yeah, it influence in both positive and negative ways also. Sometimes it influence a negative impact also.
Okay, sometimes you're seeing it influences us negatively also.
Negative ways. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all right. How does it influence us negatively?
Yeah, actually sometimes they advertise unrealistic product, or any of the things which is not really helpful for all the followers and all the people who are watching them. So I think sometimes it's negative impact also.
Okay.
For example, some celebrities advertise some tobacco or something. So that things, I think it's negative impact.
All right. And what do you think about the celebrity culture wherein people are obsessed with celebrities?
Sorry.
What do you think about the celebrity culture wherein people are obsessed with celebrities?
Yes, actually, some people follow them because their lifestyle is quite different from the normal people, and the dressing sense or so many things they are doing from different from the normal people. So people are obsessed with them.
Obsessed with them. And their children also. What do you think about how the paparazzi culture in our country where the children are being photographed and their photographs sell for great prices? What do you think about that? And the privacy issue that celebrities have also raised multiple times now.
Yes, so privacy is the most concern about the celebrities, because they can't roam, they can't do some of the things which normal people can easily do. If, for example, if they want to eat in street food, or they want to roam freely, so they can't do. Always they think like that media will catch them and will show them. So privacy is the main concern.
Yeah, but do you think children, celebrity kids, should be photographed?
I think from the early age it should not do. It should not happen, I think.
So, at what age do you think it should happen or can happen?
If they are in their teenage, then I think it's good. If they are agree with it, then it is okay.
Hmm. All right. Okay. Now, what is there a celebrity who you really admire?
Actually, I don't too much obsessed with them, and I don't really follow them. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
No,
I
no, but I'm asking just about admiration, not about being obsessed by somebody.
no, it's not a particular person.
Any actor, any other not actor necessarily, but any celebrity, it could be any famous person you really admire, who you find really inspiring.
I think I can't recall anyone now.
Nobody.
No.
All right. You mentioned earlier that people are obsessed with celebrities because their lifestyle is different. How do you think their lifestyle is different, both in good and bad ways?
Yes, in good way. Actually, celebrities have the fame and also they have money also. So they do the things whatever they like and whatever what the thing they want to wear or any expensive thing they want. So they do this kind of thing, but normal people can't do that thing because of the money also, and also they don't have to show anyone. They just what normal people do, we wear the things or we do the things for our happiness or for ourselves, I think. And celebrity have to fam- maintain their status also.
Maintain.
So yeah, so they do the things to show the people and what are their friends and followers, so they have to show them.
They're obliged to show the people what is going on in their life.
Yes, and mostly they do the things to show others, not for their own happiness, I think so.
Why do you think that way?
Yeah, if what they will do, what the people will like, so that are the things they do.
Uh-huh. No, I did not understand that. Can you repeat it?
Yes, some of the things they do to impress the followers and their friends.
Okay. For the public vision, they do it.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. If you were a celebrity, if you had all the resources at your disposal like they do, how would you live your life?
Uh, yes, if I were the celebrity, actually, I want to live my life according to myself, not to impress the others. But
Okay.
being a celebrity, you have to do some of the things to impress the people. Then only you will be in fame. So yeah, that things, some of the things you have to do for others also.
Uh-huh. All right. But like,
And
how would you
yeah,
live your life if you have
sometimes
all those resources?
yeah, some of the things we can do for positive way also. Like if people are following me and they trust me, then I want to show some of the inspiration for them. Uh, what are the things good for others also? So
You
I
don't
will
show
do that.
inspiration, you inspire somebody.
Yes, so we can inspire others. If people will follow me, then I should show them the good things. I
Hmm.
want to become inspirational for them.
But how? How so? What do you want to inspire them for and with? And how would you do that?
uh, yes, uh, we can show them the hard work and the if and what are the things they can do. So they should try to know their abilities and try to get work hard so that they can do the things easily and they can achieve their goals. We can inspire the people to follow their goals and what are the things they want in their life, so
But
they
how can you
can.
inspire people to do that? Isn't that a very personal thing?
Yes, but whenever I will get the chance to speak with other person or other people, then I will inspire them. So I will inspire them from my work, like I'm doing the hard work and how I achieved that position. So we can inspire them also.
All right. But what would you do for yourself? You have so many resources. How would you enjoy your life?
I don't get it.
Are you sure you don't know? Would you not wish to travel? Would you not wish to have a certain type of house in a certain place? Would you not wish to curate a certain lifestyle for yourself?
Yes, traveling is actually we can do. If I were the celebrity, then I can go
I
to
was
other
a
places.
celebrity, not the.
I were a celebrity, then I can go some of the places where recent as of now I can't go there easily. So if I would be that resources, then I can definitely go to abroad also and to visit many places.
All right. Okay. All right. I think with that we also reached the end of the
Can
session.
I
Thank you.
ask you the same question?
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, if you would be the celebrity, then
A
what are the things you
celebrity.
want to do?
Uh,
Okay. If you would
hmm.
if you would a celebrity, then what are the things you want to do?
I would travel. Yes, I would read a lot. I would not be looking for a job per se because of the pool of money I would have. I would perhaps try different things out because um, when you have limited resources, you cannot try different things out. You need to find something and stick to it. So I do that. I try to make a movie or something. Definitely, I try to make a documentary with the resources, and I would do a lot of philanthropy. So yeah, these are things I would do.
Yeah, great.
But all right, I think it was. I really enjoyed talking to you. Thank you for sharing your views on so many things. Only mistake was in the article which I corrected you for, so take care of that. But other than that, I had a wonderful time talking to you.
Okay,
All
I'll
right,
take care of.
bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.